Most people get this wrong. They assume All American Advance is just a typical payday loan service. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's more than that. It's a modern financial platform offering early wage access, flexible installment payments, and spending insights designed to help you manage money more effectively. Here's how it works. All American Advance allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, sometimes within just a few hours. This can help cover emergency bills, urgent purchases, or unexpected expenses without resorting to high-interest credit cards. Certain payments can also be split into manageable installments, helping you avoid large one-time charges and plan your budget more easily. The app itself is user-friendly, with intuitive dashboards to track your advances, repayment schedules, and spending patterns. Notifications alert you to upcoming payments, helping prevent late fees and financial stress. The downside? Overuse can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up in fees, so it's best used as a temporary solution rather than a long-term strategy. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications to track payment schedules. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. People with irregular income or poor repayment discipline may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, All American Advance in 2026 is a helpful and flexible financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Use it wisely, track spending carefully, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and practical tips to stay financially in control.